Coins, vaults, and no teammates to rely on. Get ready to watch our contestants take cash from vaults or downed opponents to the safety of a deposit station. This is solo bank it.
And remember, Scotty, every opponent they take out means instant cash rewards. We've just witnessed the first elimination of this match. I'm sure there's more where that came from.
I hope we get to see more of that. A contestant just opened a vault.
Initiating a scan. Scanning that area. Toxic trap set. Deploying a surprise.
A vault has been opened. Change is good, especially in the bank. Nice move. A contestant just opened a vault. A contestant just pried open a vault. Deposit time! Nice little stash locked in just now for one contestant. Has just been opened, and it sure exploded into a rain of coins. It's not just about the big drive.
The excitement never stops in the finals, and we've got a new event just around the corner. Looks like the laws of gravity are taking a coffee break in the arena. Contestants should expect a bit of a floating feeling.
A contestant just opened a vault. That's more coins added to the match. Locked in some earnings. Good job.
A contestant is holding a small fortune. They must be feeling the heat with all eyes on them now.
Vault opened. That's a sizable amount of cash added to the mix. A contestant has just made a staggering deposit. Stupendous! A vault has been opened again, and the riches inside are now up for grabs. A contestant is down and just lost tons of coins. A contestant just opened a vault and found a fortune inside.
A contestant is carrying a heavy load of cash. They're probably in everyone's crosshairs.
That vault was packed to the brim. Someone is about to get rich.
Is hoarding a wealth of coins. They should really consider depositing that ASAP. We're at the end of this game show event. What a spectacle!
We might need a bigger bank. A contestant just made a jaw-dropping deposit of coins. I hope our contestants have deep pockets because that vault contained a ton of coins. As usual, lots of action and destruction awaits as we enter the second half of the match.
One of our contestants is loaded with coins. The question is, can they make a deposit before they're taken out?
A lot of cash just dropped out of that vault. That could be a real game changer.
One of our contestants is playing a dangerous game right now. In Bargeld, having deep pockets might get you chased down.
An eliminated contestant just dropped a mountain of coins. We have a champion, and with a solo win, they've truly stolen the spotlight and the attention of our sponsors. Congratulations to our rising star.